People are on edge in our city, in our community, on a MAX train car. We live in an increasingly complex and crowded world with too much information. Portland is changing, as one of our experts noted. We live in a world where confronting a loud and noisy and obnoxious person in the wrong way can lead to catastrophic results. And that is what happened in this case. About the injuries on the MAX train, Mr. Fletcher told you he was not thinking of his own personal safety, and he admitted that it did not go well. He admitted that it was unsafe. People ended up coming to harm, and 2 people died. But lastly, he was asked if he would do it the same way today, and he said yes, which in the face of what happened on the train is troubling at the very least, and possibly outrageous. He did not deserve to have this whole case hung around his neck or used against him in that way. But what he chose to do on that train was incorrect. And if he had handled the situation differently, there might have been a better chance of a positive outcome. When Dr. Newman, their expert, was asked about the events of May 26, which led to death and injury, he said, quote, "There is no evidence that he," Jeremy Christian, "got on the MAX that day expecting that to happen." What happened on MAX car 415 is horrific, and the deaths are beyond tragic, and it can't be fixed, and that's awful. But the facts show that Jeremy Christian was physically confronted after exercising his free speech that everyone hated, and that he was thrown down twice and told to get off the train. And that's the moment that his limbic system took over. And that's the moment when intent starts to become questionable. And that's the moment when self-defense becomes real.